How to fix Netflix sound problem. Welcome everybody. I will show you how to fix sound problem on your Netflix. Let's do it. Go open your settings of your phone, click at apps option, search right now for Netflix and click. Here guys, you're gonna see this list of options. Go click at storage, click right now on clear cache and directly back. Click on force stop and click OK. You come after this now to Play Store or App Store and here update your Netflix, and after doing this restart your phone, and that's all what you should do. Hopefully guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you in next video.